Hi guys, this is Sarma. In today's video, we will see how to design t-shirts using Canva. For those who do not know what is Canva, Canva is a graphic designing tool which is free. Canva.com is the website for reference. Let's go guys. Let's go to canva.com. If you do not have an account, please create an account and log in. I have already got an account, so I have logged in. So what we are going to do today is to create t-shirt designs. So I'm going to create a design and search for t-shirt, right? So it shows a list of items like t-shirt, professional t-shirt, Christmas t-shirt, event t-shirt, teachers, pride, sports, logo. There are various types are there. I am simply choosing t-shirt, right? So you will land up in this page with a blank template. So Canva provides you ready-made templates, which is on the left hand side. You can see different types are there. Yeah. So yeah, whatever, faith over fear. There are many captions, happiness. Suppose you want to create a t-shirt design with a title of like I love India, I love New York, I love London, I love pizza, something like that. Just to go to templates and search for I love and press enter. So it will show you the already available pre-made templates that starts with I love or related to I love, right? So I love Monday. For example, I'm just clicking I love Monday. So when you click on that, it comes to the right hand side. See, I'm just changing the design, right? So what I will do is I am going to remove this love and put this heart symbol there. Control C and Control V, right? So I'm just going to bring it to the center, and this one I'm deleting. These letters I'm deleting. What I'm going to do is instead of Monday, I'm going to type India, for example, right? So I'm just bringing it like this, right? And this one I can just tap and increase the size a little bit. I'm going to the font and I'm increasing the size, right? So it's like this. Then I'm going to increase the size of this heart symbol, right? Bring it a little bit down and then in it down, and I'm increase the size of India. I'm just going to expand this a little bit so that India is accommodated in single line. Very simple guys. I love India, right? This can be printed in the t-shirt. To save this, I can just go to file and click on save. It will be saved in Canva, right? So to download this, I'm going to click on file, scroll down and click on download, right? So if you want to sell it in Amazon, there is a standard size, so we need to resize this. So click on the resize and select pixel here and put the width as 4500 and height as 5400. Then resize it. Then you can save. To save it in Canva, click on file and click on save. Then if you want to download it, click on file and download. Press the download option, select PNG and click on transparent background. Why do we need to do this is for the design we have done has white background, right? So when you print on the white t-shirt, the white color will not be printed, just I love India will be printed. But if you print on a different color t-shirt, for example yellow, this white background also will be printed, and on top of that I love India will be printed. To avoid that, when we click on transparent background, irrespective of the color of the t-shirt, the background white will not be printed, just I love India will be printed. The JPEG file type will not support transparent background. That's something we need to remember. So I click on download and it is getting downloaded. So it looks like this. So I love India. I and India are black in color. When it is printed on a yellow t-shirt, it will be visible. If we need to change the font color, we can change. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I release my next video. This is Serva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.